Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for art and craft sales. Whether you are managing payments for artworks, handmade crafts or art supplies, InfinitePay.io offers a secure and efficient solution. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the art and craft sales section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to your art and craft business. Now, to set up payment processing, integrate InfinitePay.io with your online store or sales platform. Now follow the integration documentation or use the API provided by InfinitePay.io. After that, configure your payment options by linking your art and craft business to InfinitePay.io. For that, set up your payment methods such as credit debit cards and adjust transaction settings to fit your sales needs. Now, create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for your artworks and crafts through InfinitePay.io. You can even track and manage payments through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment status and handle any issues that may arise. Ensure that your payment system is compliant with financial regulations and provides secure transactions for your customers. There you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for art and craft sales. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your creative business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.